All right, we already have 4 cruise ships out there with paying passengers on board and 22 more ships that are going to be coming out here in the next 2 months. So if you're looking to book a cruise anytime soon, you're definitely going to have some options. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. So 22 additional cruise ships are going to start sailing here in the next 60 days, the month of July and August. So like I said, if you are looking to book a cruise here in the next 2 months, you're definitely going to have some choices, and you're going to have some choices of locations. So let's go ahead and go over where these cruise ships are going to be. So out of Miami, Florida, we have 6 ships that are going to be sailing from there in the next 2 months. We already have the Freedom of the Seas sailing from there. We already have the Carnival Horizon sailing from there. She sailed out on July 4th, this last Sunday. Now you're also going to have the Norwegian Gem, the Carnival Sunrise, the MSC Meraviglia, and Royal Caribbean's Symphony of the Seas. Now all of those will be sailing from Miami, Florida. In Seattle, Washington, we have several cruise ships that are getting ready to sail the second half of the Alaska season, and they're going to start sailing here in the next 60 days. We have the Serenade of the Seas, the Carnival Miracle, the Celebrity Millennium, the Majestic Princess, the New Amsterdam, the Silver Muse, the Norwegian Encore, and Ovation of the Seas. All of those sailing out of Seattle, Washington. From Port Canaveral back in Florida, we of course have the Mardi Gras. Everybody is looking forward to her initial sailing on July the 31st. We have the Carnival Magic, the Allure of the Seas, and the Mariner of the Seas. Here in Galveston, Texas, we have the Carnival Vista. Now, she has already begun her sailings. We have the Carnival Breeze starting July the 15th. And we also have Royal Caribbean's Independence of the Seas is going to be sailing here from Texas as well. In Port Everglades in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, we have Odyssey of the Seas, another cruise ship that everybody is anticipating her first voyages. And we have the Celebrity Edge, which is actually on her second sailing currently. And the Celebrity Equinox is also going to be sailing from that location. For folks over on the East Coast, other than Seattle, we do have the Carnival Panorama is going to be sailing from Long Beach, California. And in Palm Beach, Florida, we also have the Grand Classica, the one cruise ship from the Bahamas Paradise Cruise Line. And there you have it. So that is 26 cruise ships that are going to be sailing here in the next 2 months. So just here in the past week, we've already had 4 cruise ships start. That has opened the door for cruising. And after 15 months of pent-up frustration and people just ready to get back out there, get to sailing and enjoying their cruising vacation, I don't think there's any stopping cruising now. Everybody is just ready to go, and they're ready to get out there. Look, I am one of y'all that is ready to get out there. I currently have 69 more days to my September cruise aboard the Carnival Breeze, and I just cannot wait. The days just seem to move slower and slower the closer we get to the cruise. But I'm almost there. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, hit that like button. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.